Hello, welcome to Hyperfibre. You're about to access some of the fastest broadband speeds on the planet. Everything you need to upgrade your connection can be found in the upgrade kit you've received from Chorus. Inside the box, you'll find a Hyperfibre Optical Network Terminal, also called an ONT, and a 2-meter long fibre cable, the power cord for the ONT, an ONT removal tool, and a prepaid courier bag. Let's get started. First, you'll need to locate the existing Chorus ONT in your premise. Look for a small white fibre box placed on your internal wall. Once you've found the ONT, switch off the power supply to it and unplug all the cables. Next, use the tool provided to gently release the ONT bracket and unplug the ONT from the ITP. That's the internal termination point. Avoid looking directly into the fibre port underneath the ITP to protect your eyes from the fibre optic laser. Now, take your new Hyperfibre ONT. You'll need to place it on a shelf or something similar near the ITP. Next, locate the fibre cable already plugged into your new ONT. You'll need to remove the dust cap, but don't touch the tip of the cable, as this can degrade your fibre connection. Now, the connector at the end of the fibre cable will have a key that plugs in one way only. With the key facing outwards, plug the fibre cable into the ITP. This goes into the same position on the ITP as your previous ONT cable. You'll hear a click when it's in the correct position. Plug in the power cable to your new ONT and press the on-off button on the back of the ONT. The PON light on your ONT should now turn solid green. You'll need to wait up to 15 minutes while the ONT connects automatically to your new Hyperfibre service. You'll know your new connection is activated when the internet light on your ONT turns solid green. Next up, you'll want to make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. If you're not using a separate router, you can easily use the Hyperfibre ONT for Wi-Fi. You can find the Wi-Fi passcode at the base of your new ONT. If you're using your own router for Wi-Fi, or a router supplied by your broadband provider, you'll need to take your router's Ethernet cable and connect its WAN port to the LAN 10G port on your new ONT. Like this. There's one last thing, and that's returning your old ONT and its power cable to Chorus. To do this, please place your old ONT and power cord into the box provided and use our return prepaid courier bag to courier them back to us. It's easy to return. You can drop off the courier bag at your nearest NZ Post shop or visit NZ Post online to book a courier pickup from your address www.nzpost.co.nz/tools/book a pickup.